There's one fish in particular that rarely leaves my mind. A larger fish that loves shallow water and will show itself before you get a chance to cast at it.
He's right here. See him tailing?
Yeah, I got him.
This ferocious fish will give you a run for your money when hooked, but oftentimes leaves you questioning your angling skills altogether.
What? Jesus Christ. When he was saying, where did that fly go?
Redfish, or as they're formally known, red drum, range from Mexico to Massachusetts. Although you can find them scattered throughout this range, there's a particular region that is appealing to many fly anglers.
There are big tides all up and down the East Coast, from Jacksonville to Wilmington, North Carolina. And around here, our tide is so big, that water's just moving.
Where I'm headed is the South Carolina coast. A fishery that is controlled by the ebb and flow of the tides, this region experiences one of the largest tidal fluctuations on the East Coast. These tidal forces are generated by the moon and sun's gravitational pulls, which create 2 high tides and 2 low tides every day. These large tidal fluctuations lead to what is known as a flood tide. Flood tides happen during high tide and are unique because they're only fishable for a finite amount of time.
It's like a game. There is a countdown. There's gonna be a moment where that clock hits 0. It's time to go home.
As the tide moves into the grass, so do the redfish, who are in search of fiddler crabs. Our goal is to spot and stalk the redfish, approaching quietly to a position where we can present a fly to them before they know we're there.
Okay, he's coming out. Yep, going to the left. He's right there. Drop it. You turned on your fly. Right there. Oh, dude, he just ate it.
I've been lucky enough to fish a few flood tides over the years, but have never spent enough time to get a good grasp on the fishery.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Plus, I've never caught a true tailing fish in the grass. And this is where these guys come into the picture.
It's got leather wrap handles.
This is Rob and Junior, fishing buddies who have spent enough time together on the boat to be brothers.
That's coming at us.
Okay, so a little wet. So we're saying 91% is pretty high chance. We're going with that.
Rob is a Marine turned fishing guide, and Junior, a South Carolina local who has an immense passion for fly fishing and filmmaking. After connecting on Instagram a while back, we spent months going back and forth about fishing. Finally, the right opportunity came about to come and fish one of the first flood tides of the year. So with my bags packed, I made my way back east to link up with the boys for a multi-day beach camping and fly fishing adventure in the Lowcountry.
Fellas. What's up, man?
What's up, dude?
How you doing?
Good, man.
How's the trip?
Good. Good to see you, brother. How are you?
Dude, yeah.
Good to see you, man. Let's go.
It's happening. Dude, this thing is so heavy.
Y'all have sleeping bags and stuff?
There's no, it's all manual, but it's manual here. So you have to be like, okay, he's 2 feet away. So it's like if I want to drop down to 2.5, he's 3 feet away, 2 feet away. Hopefully he's in focus. It's like one of the first underwater film cameras, like that someone could bring around their neck.
That is sick.
We're heading to an island to go camping as a premise of fishing. We got 2 days camping, hopefully, weather permitting, and then see if we can find as many fish as we can in the next 3 days? What have we got, 3 days? We got like 3 days to have fun.
I follow the girls from Maine to California. I've held them tight and promised I'd be back. But when I leave, I climb aboard my semi. And I start making one-way tracks.
Like any fishing trip, we were super antsy to get on the water. But once we arrived at the boat ramp, it was apparent that there was a lot more wind than we expected.
So what I'm thinking is, the boat is super loaded. I don't know how bad it's gonna be out there. So let's take some of this gear out.
So just in case we capsize, we only lose half.
We don't want to lose everything.
only
We just
lose
want to
half.
lose half.
I don't want to swim home.
Just let me know when
That's
it
not
goes
on the agenda for the weekend.
You're good.
we're here, baby. And the wind brought everything it has today, so it's gonna be fun. All right, so we are unloading the boats right now. We got to this beach where we're gonna be camping tonight. We're gonna leave all the stuff here so the boat's a little bit lighter, and then we're gonna start heading out. Woo! With our camping gear secured on the beach, we were ready to fish. The tide was still low, but on its way up. So before fishing the flood tide that evening, we stopped into a creek where redfish like to push into.
So the tide's coming in, and we're using that to jump over a little oyster mound here. Everything here, everywhere we fish, everything we do revolves around the tide. And the tide changes every day, so you can't do the same thing every day. It's just kind of cool. It keeps you moving. But today we have the opportunity to come in here, so we're gonna come check it out and see what we can do.
Unlike trout fishing, where you're constantly casting, this was all visual.
Watch your line.
We'd be pushing slowly through the water, looking for any sort of disturbances that could be redfish. And only once we had a fish in sight would we make a cast.
I think I have a tail. I have a tailer. On the right-hand side, there's for sure a tailer there. Wait a second. Scotty, I'd punch it in there. Yep. You're good. See him there? See him backing?
Yep.
They're there. They're tailing too. Up in the gap. I don't think we can make the wind any worse.
The what?
I don't think we can make the wind any worse.
Oh no!
Oh! Catch it! How good's your casting? Ooh! Remember to strip set.
Yeah.
Oh, you almost got it.
Gosh.
There you go. It was more fun. It was more fun watching you try to catch it.
Well,
But
confirmed, guys. Waffle hats do in fact float.
all right, wait for it. Wait for it. The pole's in the way.
Cast
That's
up.
your cast. Go for it. All the way to the end, as best you can. You're standing on your line, and
Yeah.
carry up. We'll get closer here in a second if we need to.
Are these fish right here?
Possibly, but I think they're big mullet. I'm looking.
What do you think? Take a couple more casts?
Yeah, I think the wind is wrecking shop today. That's what I think.
Not our friend today. With the tide rising and the sun falling, there was a small window for us to catch the evening flood tide.
Hold on.
We zipped to a nearby flat and got in position to fish.
There's so much water.
This is like, yeah.
Like too much water.
The only issue was we had forgotten to turn our mics back on. All right, we just realized our mics were off on the last flat. To recap, you guys, I had a shot at a red. It's the first Taylor we saw. It was crazy. Got the blood pumping. Missed the shot. He didn't eat it and spooked, but got the knees knocking. That's for damn sure.
Show up and party for us. Oh, there's
Oh
one.
my gosh.
He gone.
Yeah, he is. He was there. He was there.
After a hard day of fishing, we were looking forward to kicking our feet up at camp.
Junior, just hop on shore.
That is, if the tide didn't take it away.
So me and Scotty go on the trek to kind of find our stuff, and all you see is the dry sand and the wet sand and the water line all the way up and down this bank. Is that our stuff right there? Oh gosh. Dude, this is gonna be so close. And this water line literally splits our stuff in half. Oh my gosh. Literally, this is the water line. So as you can see, that's literally the ocean right there. Tide came up. We had a lot more water than we expected.
Did it get wet?
I think it might have got wet.
Did we lose anything?
No, we didn't lose anything.
What?
It's a miracle.
Well, let's bring the camp back this way. Oh, dude. I hope this works.
All right, well, we got camp all set up here. We got a little fire going. Rob's got a little meal cooking up for us.
We're working on some marinated elk steak here. It's a tradition. When you beach camp, you gotta do elk meat. That's what you want right there. I think there's something primal, maybe, about sleeping under the stars.
The first bite of elk.
It's something more immersive. It's something that, when I walk away from a camping trip, it's a different feeling. I feel like I was more connected to the outdoors than just a fishing trip.
It is morning time. We got the morning flood tide, so the water's coming up right now. We're just waiting for it to get into good position, then we're gonna be fishing.
Perfect time for it.
Let's get that reel rigged up and
Yeah.
get the rods rigged and make this happen.
Let's do it.
Well, this is a different world from yesterday.
Completely different, huh?
Are you talking about the part where there's no wind?
The no wind part.
How it's not a tropical storm warning.
Yeah.
People calling us crazy for fishing.
Drop it. He's going left now. He's coming at the boat. He's coming at the boat. Don't bump it. Bump it. Little ticks. Little ticks. Little ticks. Yep. Oh, did he not eat it?
What?
It's all right. He was interested. That's a good sign.
Dang. Do you think he was too close?
No, not at all.
Okay.
Not at all.
Dude, we didn't even get we were like still setting everything up. Rob's like, dude, there's a fish, there's a fish.
Ooh, I hope that's a fish. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Dude, I just saw like some crazy water disturbance. You guys just keep looking around. I got a cruiser coming across the flat. I'm gonna turn. This is a shot. He's coming towards us.
Is it way out there?
Yeah, you're on him.
I see it.
You're on him.
12 now?
Yes. I'm trying to, yep, see him pushing that water there?
Pushing left.
There he is. Go ahead and put it on the right-hand side of him. Cross his path like we talked about. Great cast. Start ticking it. Little ticks, little ticks. He's going to the left of you, actually. They do a lot of meandering. He's just happy, he's just feeding. There you go, on the left. Beautiful cast, dude. Tighten up the line and let it sit. He might be going away from us there, just to the right of your line. There he is. Pick it up, go on the left-hand side of him. Do you see him? Yep, that's your cast right there. Great cast. Bump it, bump it, bump it. Strip fast. What? What? Wow.
Man, that got my knees shaking.
It does. It does. That's
Gosh,
awesome.
dude.
Fish are being spooky on you, Scotty.
Man. As we pushed through the flat, we continued to see fish. There might be something here at 12.
Yeah, I see that.
You see that?
Keep an eye on that.
I think it might be a different...
That's a fish, that's a fish. He's moving to the right.
Although the fish seemed to be everywhere,
Great cast.
I missed shot
Oh, so spooky.
after shot
No, no, pull. Oh.
after shot.
Strip fast, strip fast. Oh, he hit the line.
What? But finally, after a humbling morning, it all came together.
Go for it now. I'm low. Put it right in front of him. Yes.
Come on, line. All right, hold on.
There you go. Drop it. Ooh, wait for him to get to you. Strip. Yep.
There he is.
Dude. Oh my gosh. Keep your rod up. Strip. Yep.
Oh,
Oh,
gosh.
dude.
Dude, that was crazy. Oh, my gosh.
Nice spot, man.
Oh, man.
No, that was not an easy, dude. That was not an easy feed. There he is. Come here, buddy.
Look at that.
Yes.
Let's go, dude.
Yes. Oh, that's a beautiful fish.
That is so sick. First one of the trip, baby. Let's go, baby.
Yeah.
Come on now. On him.
Oh,
Junior's up, baby. Your turn, man. Let's go.
On the right-hand side, back in that pocket at 1 o'clock. Out on the far edge. It was just a big, nervous water. I'm watching it.
Was that a weird angle in relation to like where he was kind of
Yeah.
pushing towards? Yeah, he's at 12. He's pushing at 12. You see him dead 12, Rob?
One fish for sure is tailing here in front of us. When they're tailing, they're rooting out fiddler crabs out of the water. So they'll lift their tail up. And so you got him like lifting his tail. I call this a happy fish. He's got his tail just waving. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful.
Right there. You see him? Rob?
Do you see him? I don't see him. Oh, whoa, was that him over there?
He's right here. A little bit closer.
All right.
Actually, no, you're fine. You're fine. Let me just get some more line out.
There you go. Going to the right. I got a fish on the left. Hold on. Yeah, your body was blocked. Oh, dude, he's right here.
Where?
Coming at the boat. Point to 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock? Drop that
I
fly.
see him.
Great cast. Oh, what? Why are they being so spooky? Dude, they went from happy tailors to that? So the flood tide's over. The water is falling. Our water goes from high tide to low tide with 8.5 feet of average movement in 6 hours, 15 minutes. So, I mean, when it goes out, it goes out. That's coming at us.
Okay, so a little wet.
That's coming our way. It's looking very likely that it's gonna rain tonight. I want to camp out tonight, but camping in the sand and the rain.
So we're saying 91% is a pretty high chance. We're going with that.
It's a pretty high chance.
Pretty high.
We decided to trust the weather forecast and pack up camp before heading to our next spot.
Don't worry about it some more.
How you feeling about leaving the sand fleas?
The oasis of sand fleas, the great sand flea hatch of 2022. I'm thankful, thank God.
All right, we're pushing into this little creek now. As you can tell, water is way down from earlier today. So we're gonna push up this creek and see if we can't see some fish. See if Junior can get it done.
Gonna go to a more bait fish mullet pattern. A little bit lighter color. A little bit lighter fly. Float a little bit higher in the water column.
Dude, it is so low. Fish, Junior, yep.
Going away?
Yep.
I'm stuck on something.
Oh, you hooked the ring.
What are the chances of that?
I know. Look at that push coming towards us. Was that one at your feet there?
Where?
Oh my, oh. Did you see that tail?
Uh-oh.
Yeah, dude, full on tail came out of the water. Yeah, right there.
Got him.
You have a fish?
No.
Oh.
It's the first bump I felt all weekend.
Mm.
Yeah, they're making us work today. There you go, they're right there in the middle, right?
Yep.
I'm gonna go high.
Great cast. That's where I saw the tail. Oh, really? Did he hit it?
I didn't feel him bump.
I mean, they're here. They're tasting shrimp and being dumb, but sure as heck ain't biting our flies.
Oh,
One right there.
yeah. Literally sitting on this oyster bar.
Ooh,
What was that?
a redfish.
Like, dude, I don't know what the...
Don't have an answer. Don't have an answer for any of it.
We might as well sell everything.
We just
we
need to
have.
go home and drink beer.
Sell all the gear we have, camera gear included, and just cancel us. Boys, we've been grinding all day. I think it's time for a rally beer. Some tahine, some lime. Get the spirits up, get morale high. Finish strong. That's all we can do. Cheers, Rob.
Cheers.
Rally beer. We're pretty much set up, waiting for the water to come onto the flat. It was a late flood, so we knew we only had kind of a short window.
It was 7:20 that the boat was going into the grass, and it was getting dark at 8 o'clock, and we knew that for a fact. Yep, I got him.
He's coming from 2 to 12, right to left.
I got him.
You see him pushing across the flat?
Yep. Rolling.
Rolling.
He's going. Do you see him?
He's moving pretty quick, yeah.
You're gonna have to scoot on that cast. That's your shot right there, actually.
Yeah, I see him.
There you go, there you go. Bump it. Go. Oh yeah, he wants it. He wants it. Oh, come on. There he is. What? He's going left.
Oh, he's coming my way.
There he is. That's your shot right there. Great shot. Strip. Yep. Yep, keep coming. Right. He just, oh! Did he not eat it? Didn't he try to eat it? Dude, like, what just happened? Because he popped. He made that pop sound.
Oh yeah, I thought he ate it.
Oh, there's one. Oh my gosh. No, left. Hard, it's at 9 o'clock. There's 2 of them out there.
I see him, I see him, I see
That
him.
one like crazy.
That one's happy.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, I got it.
Got him, Junior?
Yeah, I got
Okay.
it, right here. I got him, he's dead 12. Rob,
What's that?
he's dead 12.
He's still there?
Yeah, he's still there. There he is. You see him right here?
Yep, go for him.
I might not have enough line out. Is he going left?
He's going to the left, yeah. There he comes. You see him, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, strip fast. Strip. There he is.
Got him. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Dude. Dude, it doesn't matter if it's the first one or the 100th one, man. It doesn't matter. Get you every time, man. You hear me? Every time. Oh, he's pretty too. Holy smokes, man. Dude, how hard can we work for fish? I'm like so excited, I'm shaking. Worked so hard for this fish, man. Rob, thanks for the push, brother.
Dude, that was awesome.
Ready? Gosh, man. Dude, that's just a pure example of just grinding and how one fish can
We
just...
got rejected so many times.
Holy smokes,
Oh
man.
man, that was wild. Oh,
I'm on the pole, I'm on the board. Honestly, morale went from like 0 to 100 very quickly. We got one right here on left, right here, 9 o'clock. Tailing is behind off, right here. See him, he's going left to right, his head's out of the water. Drop it, drop
I got
it.
him.
Great cast. Oh, he's coming towards us. He just changed directions at us.
Wait for it.
That's your shot, Rob. You see it? I'm turning you. That's the one. Atta boy. Great cast. Small tick. He sees it. Small tick. Pick it up, go left.
Missed it.
Atta boy. Great cast.
Oh, what?
I got another one dead middle. He's very close. There's 2 of them. Tailing together.
Go right, go right, go right. Attaboy, attaboy, attaboy. Good job. Attaboy.
My hand slipped off the line.
I think that was a pure reactionary. Just there, you ate it.
Oh. Oh, I love this one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he had it when it hit the water. It was like he was coming
yeah.
towards us. Oh,
Oh, yes.
oh, dude. Let's go.
We're like training for Taylor this morning.
I know.
Ready?
Oh,
Attaboy. Good job, man. Good job. Heck of a job.
dude. That is sick. That is sick. That is a beautiful fish. Worked hard all day, and there it is. the buzzer beater. Get that fish.
See ya. Attaboy. Dude.
Yeah. He's right here. See him, Taylor? Oh my God, Scott's on fire! Scotty's on fire!